In the dashboard, click on the side draw menu at the top left. In the side draw menu select the Seed and Leads menu. Now you are in the Seed and Leads page. In the top swiping menu select Seed. Select between nuclei/PL seed to be advertised. Fill in all the details regarding to the seed. Click the Submit button to submit the seed availability post. The seed availability posted successfully is displayed on the screen. Click on the List button on the Seed menu to view posted seed availability posts. The seed availability list pop-ups on the screen. In the top swiping menu select Leads. List of customer seed requirements for Market Connect are displayed here. Select between nuclei or PL by clicking on the Tab menu. In the list of leads, click on the mobile number to initiate a call with the customer.